notwithstanding, the state is not opposed to defense counsel motion.
Okay, now, courts, we have before it and the court can take judicial notice of deferred adjudication order that was dated September 13th of 2022, where Mr. Stephen Russell was given deferred adjudication probation. And as a condition of that probation, he was required to install a GPS device. The court will also take judicial notice of the misdemeanor plea agreement form. And it on here, it says GPS device, no contact with the complaining witness in this case. And the complaining witness is, is that Charlotte Prince? Also, now, a couple of statements you made. You stated that it was agreed that he was supposed to wear a GPS monitor for a period of time. That is nowhere in the misdemeanor plea agreement form. It just says GPS device. Also, you stated that he has worn a GPS device, I guess, longer than anyone in the history. I guess this misdemeanor court. Actually, he was wearing a GPS as a requirement for the felony court, not as this court. So he had, as far as he's been only wearing the GPS monitor for 3 months. He's been on probation for 3 months. Is that correct?
He's been on probation for approximately 3 months.
Right.
Correct.
So in this court, he's only worn as a condition, well, as an agreed plea bargaining agreement that he would install a GPS device. That has only been for 3 months. So, and now as regards this case, I'm looking at this case. I do note that he was charged with an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in cause number 20-3566. And I think this case he pled to this case, which is cause number 328018, and the felony case, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, was dismissed because of a plea in this case. Is that correct?
The felony was dismissed, yes.
Right, but it was as a result of his plea in this court, case, right?
Package deal with the felony prosecutor. Yes.
Right. So they wasn't going to dismiss the case if he had not pled in this case. Is that correct?
I would say that's correct. I mean, we can't read the future. If he would decide to proceed with trial instead, I'm not saying.
No, so if he went to trial, that case wouldn't have been dismissed.
It's possible, but I agree with the court. It was a package deal. That
Right.
case would be dismissed in exchange
Right.
for the plea to this case.
Right, and it was agreed upon that he would install a GPS device. Is that correct?
It was agreed upon that at the time of the plea, he would wear a GPS device
Okay,
by the request of the state prosecutor.
well, that was the plea bargain agreement. Is that correct?
That's correct. Well, it wasn't a condition that we wanted, but yes, it was a plea bargain agreement with.
Well, whether you want it or not, you agreed to it.
That's correct.
Okay. Now, the court is inclined, the court's concern is the safety of the victim in this case. And I think the safety of the victim is an utmost priority given the circumstances of this case, as well as the circumstances of the case that was previously dismissed. So at this time, the court is going to deny the motion to modify.
Judge, if I may ask for some guidance from the court as far as how much longer we should wait before asking. The court.
The court can't give you no guidance on that. At this time, this motion, this motion is, as of right now, this motion is denied. Okay?
All right.
And that's the ruling of the court. Okay.